most of the rally I was sliding a lot, like in the past years, Group A car and WRC also. In the past, we were sliding a lot, like Colin, like Sense, everybody. And I know the young driver now are not sliding so much. And I tried to learn at 50 years old. And in the stage, with the problem with the door, you know, I was ending the door with the left hand in all the right corner, because I didn't know at the start of the stage, the door was, for me, closed. And the first right corner, I saw the door open.
Jā, nu tātad man ir jāsaka tā, ka es diezgan bieži esmu pieradis arī slidināties, un nu, sākot šo te ātru posmu, mana roka bija uz durvju roktura, un, nu, acīm redzot, tā kā es pats neesmu redzējis šo te sižetu, tad es varu tikai minēt, durvis atvērās jau, tātad viņš dabūja braukt tālāk ar pusvērtām durvīm, kuras viņš pieturēja roku tālāk, tas ir bijis.
Then I saw the door open on the right corner, you know, slow corner, and Dominic told me, what's happened? I think the door is impossible to close, then I have to do the stage like that. And I was ending the door with a left hand, and not sliding at all, because it was difficult to drive with one hand. And the time was so good, you know, then at least I learned that as soon as you slide too much, you don't go so fast. The time was very, very good, like that.
Jā, nu, jā, man jāsaka, ka nu, es tās durvis nevarēju arī aizvērt tā īsti, un man nācās ar kreiso roku turēt šīs durvis, lai viņas neatvērstu vaļā pavisam, ar labo roku stūrēt. Un tad es arī sapratu to, ka man šī slīdēšanas tehnika, ko es biju izmantojis pirms tam, tagad es nevarēju to izmantot. Patiesībā rezultātam tas ne tikai vien nekaitēja, bet nāca vēl tikai par labu.
Well, in many stations we heard radio you complaining about the short gearbox. What was the problem? Why couldn't you just change the gearbox to a higher ratio?
It's the regulation, you know.
Tātad mēs vairākās parādīs dzirdējām, ka jūs sūdzējāties par pārāk īsu ātrumu kārbu, vai tur bija kāda problēma, kāpēc jūs viņu nevarējāt apmainīt uz piemērotāku.
It's a regulation because we choose the short ratio at the beginning of the rally. As soon as you choose, you cannot change anymore. And then you have done the rally like that, and the maximum speed was 161, which is not enough in such a very fast rally like here, you know. And for sure we lost some seconds, you know. I don't know how much, when, where, but in any case it was a little handicap for sure.
Jā, nu te man jāsaka tā, ka rally noteikumi liedz mainīt ātrumu kārbu jau tad, kad ir sacensības sākušās, tā kā mums nācās braukt ar to pašu, un, nu, dažos posmos mēs jau zinām, ka ātrums sasniedz 161 km, piemēram, ja, un tad tur varbūt kaut kāds problēmas arī parādījās, bet, nu,